What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're going to talk about AMC, GME, as well as the overall market, the SPY. So for today, AMC was down for 3.41%. The average volume on AMC is 44.47 million, but today it was around 31.45 million, which is not up to that average volume. But definitely the volume has gone up as compared to yesterday's. And as we can see over here, the chart of SPY, it's almost similar to the chart of AMC. And as we know, there is a negative beta on AMC. Every time the SPY goes down, the AMC goes up. Recently, we saw that when there was a price action in AMC, it went from $23 to almost $30. SPY was going down and the AMC was going up. So today, the CEO of the company, Adam Aaron, came out and he said that he's looking for a partnership with GameStop in the NFT field. AMC GameStop could team up on NFT. What investors should know about Match Made in Heaven. Two of the hottest stock in 2021 and favorite investment of retail trader may become further connected in the future with an exploration of a partnership for non-fungible token. This is a very bullish news for the AMC Entertainment stock as well as for the GameStop. I have full faith in Adam Aaron. He knows himself that there is a manipulation going on in both of these stocks. The short interest is going up on AMC. All the naked shorting that is happening in AMC Entertainment stock. And there could be a billions of synthetic shares out there of AMC Entertainment because this thing has gone so big now. All around the world, people are buying the stock of this company because they know that there is a heavy short interest on this stock and there are chances of short squeeze happening in AMC. So as we can see on my screen, this is the dark pool volume for the day for AMC. It was around 62%. This percentage itself is very questionable that what these hedge funds are up to by trading this much amount of AMC just in the dark pool. Definitely something is going on. Hope so SEC looks into it and do something about it. So what these market makers are doing, they are rerouting the shares to the dark pool instead of the lit market, which is not showing the price action that it should be. Now when we come over here at the Stocker tracker, we can see that the 21st of January 2022, there are 113,882 contracts in the money. This thing has gone up significantly. Now basically what can happen if these people exercise their call option, it can create a huge buying pressure into the stocks, which has a potential of creating a gamma squeeze into the AMC. So this is something to be really watching out for. 21st of January 2022, there are a lot of contracts in the money. The higher the stock price goes up, the more contracts are going to come into the money. There were already over 200,000 contracts in the money, but from the recent price action that we have in the past month, there are a lot of contracts which have gone out of the money. We just have to wait and see what's going to happen in a couple of weeks. Now let's have a look at the options flow for AMC, what whales are up to. As you can see on my screen, this individual is buying a $30 put. These are 1,781 contract. That is kind of like a mini whale and he's betting that this stock is going to go down. By looking at the overall options flow for AMC, there is nothing which is coming out which might give us a hint about where the stock is going to go from here onwards. Now let's have a look at GME. So today the stock was down almost 1.25%. The average volume on GME is 2.36 million and today's volume was 1.32 million. The volume is still not there. Now let's have a look at the options flow for GME. By looking at the options flow for GME, I can see a lot of people are still on the bullish side of GME. They are buying call options. Now let's have a look at the SPY. The SPY had a little bit of downtrend today. There was no major news out there. I would say this was a little bit of a breather coming in because the SPY has already ran up quite a bit. Just a couple of weeks back, SPY was on 459. Now let's have a look at the options flow for this SPY. By looking at the options flow for this SPY, there is no clear-cut indication that is coming out of this SPY. The SPY basically work on the news that's out there. Currently, we have rising cases of Omicron, but Omicron is not that dangerous or life-threatening. We already know that so far. So the SPY is playing a little bit of back and forth. There is no green signal for the upside and neither there is any red signal for the downside. We just have to wait to see what's going to happen in the coming weeks. if there is any major news out there which can create a little bit of pullback. But I personally believe until unless there is some sort of a rate hikes done by the Fed, there won't be any significant pullback coming into the SPY. And most likely in the stock market, things go completely against you or in favor of you when you expected the least. Hope so you like my video. Please like and subscribe my channel, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Cheers.